What's up, guys? Just wanted to make a really quick video. Um, as you guys know, my strategy, I typically jump in above gold time and I take the trade going up, moving up. I hardly ever short stocks. But for the past 2 weeks, all we've been seeing is basically stocks running up, slamming down, running up, slamming down. Sometimes they'll crack gold time and then they slam all the way back down. I've taken a couple losses this week, but um, just because I've been seeing that, it just gave me confidence today to say, you know what, I should be shorting versus waiting for the market to turn around for small caps to actually start running up like they normally do. So if you look at the overall market is just basically slamming down, right? It's slamming down. This is go time. It's slamming down. So now, this morning I was looking at GE and I was kind of waiting to see what it was going to do because I was prepared to short it. So it actually went up close to go time as the past couple of weeks been showing me. So basically, it popped up and then it had a violent drop. Once I saw that violent drop, I waited for it to do a small pullback. That's when I jumped in here. As soon as I saw a wick, I jumped in here, shorting it, and then I just held on. Now my exit would have been if it went right back to this triangle where I entered. Now, if it had went to this level, I would have gotten out because chances are it would have pushed up and it wouldn't have been nice. So once I jumped in here, I just kind of waited and waited and waited. It never went back to my level, so I can hold it as long as I can, as long as I want to, as long as it's not coming back up to this area. So it just kept going and going and going and going and going. And I knew I wanted to sell right around the $9 area because every day what I try to do is I try to pull 35 to 45 cents out of the market. If I come close to that, I hit my daily goal. So um, I basically held it and held it and held it right when it was coming to that $9 area. I kind of just got out because I had already hit my daily goal, which, as you guys can see, I jumped in right there at 9:33. I short the stock, and then I got out at 9:07. So this was the play for today. As you guys can see, I made 1040, and that was under 7 minutes. So that's basically how today went. It was pretty sweet, short, easy. I just decided, like I said, I never short, but I decided to short today just because for the past couple weeks, small caps have been having difficult time making it over go time, and all we've been seeing is them slamming down, slamming down, slamming down. So once I saw that for the past couple weeks, so now I just gained some confidence into, taking a short. So, but yeah, this is not my usual strategy. I'm always trading above go time, but because of the market, sometimes we have to adjust to the market. We can't just sit there and not make money for another. We don't know how long this is going to go on with small caps not going above go time. But, you know, I trade the first hour, and within the first 30 minutes to the first hour, there hasn't been much action above go time. It's like when I come back in the afternoon, I'll just double check and see if anything made a nice move when I was, because after the first hour, I'm done. But sometimes I'll go and I'll log on just to see what happened and the stocks that I was looking at if they made some moves. A lot of them will make some moves, but the majority of them just kept going down and lower and lower and lower. So, I'm always aware of what the market is doing, what kind of condition is happening. And so, because of that, I just took advantage. I could have held a little bit longer, though, and made way more. This thing went all the way down to 872, and I was selling at 907. But I didn't want to be greedy. I made my daily goal. I just didn't want to be greedy, so I just sold and called it a day. As long as I hit my goal, my daily goal, I'm good. But yeah, for the past couple weeks, um, you know, just watching things slam down like this is what gave me confidence into taking a short. Now, if it had went above my entry, I would have gotten out immediately, you know. So again, it's always cut your losses fast. That's the most important rule. But when I got in, it never really went back to this level, and it just kept going lower. So, you know, once I hit my goal, I got out. But that's about it. It's a short video. Just wanted to let you guys know what's going on. I know I say that I'm gonna post more videos, but then I don't. It's just I'm not a YouTube guy, but I try to educate and help other people. So if you guys have any questions, comment below, or if you want, just send me an email and I'll help you guys get started. All right. So I'll chat with you guys another day.